G'day blokes, it's Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Mitsubishi Triton, stock reference number 5902. This shape ran from the 3rd of 2015 to the 10th of 2018. There's a 4N15 4-cylinder 2.4 litre turbo diesel engine backed by an auto 4-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our 4N15 4-cylinder 2.4 litre turbo diesel engine. Left hand headlight, left front wheel, factory alloy mag, 16-inch rim, good tyre, left front guard, bonnet, no dents, left hand mirror, left front door, no dents, left rear door, no dents, left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 16-inch rim, good tyre, left hand tail light, aftermarket cover. Tailgate, 5 dents. Right hand tail light, aftermarket cover. Right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, no dents. Right hand mirror. Right front guard, less flare. Right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Right hand headlight. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Center console, gear stick, shifter, heat AC controls, touchscreen display, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy light, right hand sun visor. Tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with the audio, cruise and phone buttons.